Use a cable cutter with round cutting ends and make a fresh, clean cut on the end of your cable or welding wire. Cut it to whatever length you will need. Use a cable slitter to strip about 3/4 of an inch off of the end of the cable. Remove the insulated end that was cut off. Get the correct size cable lug to fit the application. I am using a 5/16 hole lug on a 2/0 cable. Make sure none of the strands of copper are sticking out and slide the cable into the lug. Twist it to make sure it's seated tightly against the insulation. Set the crimp tool to the correct size. I'm going to set mine to the 1/0 position so that I have a good tight crimp. The V-shaped part of the tool is going to be where the top side of the lug sits. Crank down on the handle to perform the crimp. Do it twice so the stud crimps a larger surface area of the lug. The bottom will have 2 indents and the top will be a triangle shape. This is going to be the positive cable, so we're going to use red heat shrink tubing to seal the connector between the insulated wire and the lug. Use a butane torch or heat gun and shrink the tubing onto the cable till it fits tight. The last step is to apply split loom, or another form of protective shielding to the cable, so that it doesn't get chafed or cut on any sharp objects. I use electrical tape around the ends to prevent the loom from sliding off. This is the completed battery cable assembly, ready to mount. Repeat the steps for the opposite end of the cable as necessary. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more info.